Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. Colors name: black color, red color, blue color, green color, yellow color and white color. Kids night coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple and use black color. Kids again use black color and draw B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. Kids again use black color and draw G. G for goat. H. H for helicopter. I. I for ice cream. Kids neither J. J for jackfruit and use red color. Red color. The alphabets of J. K. K for king. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nose. Kids again use red color and draw O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for quill. Kids neither R. R for rose. R for rice. The alphabets of R and use blue color. S. S for sun. Kids again use blue color and draw T. T for teacher. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. Kids again use blue color and draw W. W for wallet. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Kids neither numbers and first read of 1 and use green color. O and 1, 2, T W 2, 3, 4. Kids again use green color and draw 5, 6. Kids neither 7 and use green color. 8. The numbers of 8. 9. N I N E 9. 10. T E and 10. Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids colors name: blue color, yellow color, black color, red color, green color and white color. Kids now draw numbers and first read of 1 and use blue color. O and 1, 2, T W 2, 3, T H R W 3, 4, F O U R 4, 5, F I V E 5. Kids neither 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color. Yellow color. S IX6, 7. S E V E N 7. 8. E I G H T 8. Kids again use yellow color and draw 9. N I N E 9. 10. T E N 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use black color. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. It's neither 16. The numbers of 16 and use red color. 17. The numbers of 17. 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. 20. The last numbers of 20. Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn to draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, black color, green color, blue color, and white color. Kids, now you draw alphabets A to Z. Kids, first you draw A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. And use red color. B. B for ball. B for bat. C. C for cat. C for car. Kids, neither D. D for dog. D for doll. And use yellow color. The alphabets of D. E. E for egg. E for elephant. Kids, again use yellow color and draw F. F for fish. F for fan. The alphabets of F. Kids, neither G. G for goat. G for grapes. And use black color. The alphabets of G. H. H for hand. H for helicopter. I. I for ice. I for ice cream. Kids, neither J. J for joker. J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. And use green color. K. K for kite. K for king. L. L for lion. L for lemon. Kids, neither M. M for moon. M for mango. And use blue color. N. N for nose. N for nest. O. O for orange. O for octopus. It's again use blue color and draw P. P for parrot. P for penguin. Q. Q for queen. Q for quill. R. R for rose. R for rice. Kids, neither S. S for sun. S for snake. and hue is red color. The alphabets of S. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. V. V for van, V for vanilla. W. W for wallet, W for watch. It's again use red color and draw. X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree. It's neither Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, and U is yellow color. Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Its colors name: blue color, yellow color, black color, red color, green color, and white color. It's 9 coloring ABC and 1 to 3. It's first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane. B. B for ball, B for bat. It's again use blue color and draw C. C for cat, C for car. D. D for dog, D for doll. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Again use blue color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. It's neither G. G for God, G for grapes. The alphabets of G and hue is yellow color. It's again use yellow color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. It's again use yellow color and draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K. K for kite, K for king. L. L for lion, L for lemon. It's neither numbers and first read of 1 and use black color. O and Yvonne. 2. T W 2. 3. T H R W 3. 4. F O U R 4. 5. F I V E 5. It's again use black color and draw 6. S I X 6. 7. S E V E and 7. 8. E I G H T 8. 9. N I N E 9. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.